Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Instagram comments on Zappyconnect. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can buy Instagram comments using the Zappyconnect platform. So let's get started with the video.
So guys, right here on my screen, and in this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram comments on zappyconnect.com. So in order to get your comments, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. Now for this video, I'll be using a Chrome browser, but you can use any browser of your choice. So I'm going to go to my Chrome over here, and then I'm going to visit our website, which is zappyconnect.com. So once I've logged in to the zappyconnect.com, I'm going to be taken to our homepage, right? So as you can see, the first thing you're going to do is to log in. But if you don't have an account, you can click on the sign up button over here to sign up on the Zappyconnect platform. Now I've created a video on how you can sign up on Zappyconnect platform. You can go and check it out. So I'm not going to be signing up on this video. I'm going to be logging into my account. So for those who already have an account, the next thing you're going to do is to log in, right? So once you click on the login button over here, you'll be taken to where you have to insert your username and your password. Once you put in your username and your password, you click on the I am not a bot, and you have to prove that you're not a bot by selecting the images you see on your screen. So I'm asked to select the stairs over here, so I'll just do that. And once I do that, I'll click on verify, right? So I'm verified right now. I click on the sign in, and then I'll be taken to my dashboard. Now once you're on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is to fund your account, right? So you just fund your account by clicking on the add funds over here. So once you click on the add funds, you'll be taken to the fund page, right? And please make payments using your country currency, right? So we have different country currency over here. So if you're Nigerian, you can pay through Nigeria. And if you're from Kenya, you can pay using Kenya, and Ghana, the same thing. So whatever country you are from, even if it's South Africa, we have payment gateway for that. And we have payment gateway for dollars, euro, and pound. So once you have made payments using your country currency, and please note, if you do not have your country listed over here, you can fund using cryptocurrency. Now, we have created a video on how you can fund your account. Right now, the next thing we are going to do is to order for our Instagram comments. So you just click on the order over here, and then you click on the new order. Now I'm going to click on the select category over here. I'm going to select Instagram comments. So Instagram comments over here, and then I'm going to select the service quality, right? So I'll choose diamond, and then I'm going to insert my Instagram link over here, you understand? And then I'll insert the amount of comments that I want. Now I'm going to go to my Instagram account. Here is my Instagram account, and I just posted this image recently. As you can see, do not have any comments. I'm going to refresh this. Wow, so you can see I already have my 200 likes that I purchased. Okay, so I'm going to open it now. As you can see, it was 21 minutes ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this three dots over here, and then I'm going to click on copy link. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go back to Zappyconnect, and I'll paste the link over here. So once I paste the link over here, I'm going to select the quantity I want, and let's go for 200. The comment is $1.78, right? So I don't have that much on my account, so I'm going to go for like 100. Okay, I think 100 is like 89. Let's do 50. So if you want 1,000 comments on your account, just know that you are going to deliver it instantly. So if you want 1,000, it's just $8. You can get 1,000 comments on your post, right? So you send people commenting to you, it's up to 1,000. So but for this video, I'm going to be using just 50 in order to test this for you. So I'm going to click on the yes, I have confirmed this order, and then I'm going to click on place order right now. So as you can see, my order has been submitted successfully. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this order over here, and then I'm going to go to all orders in order to check the status of this order. So over here, you can see that the Instagram comments has been sent and it is processing. So guys, in 5 minutes time, I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you the results. So guys, I'm back here after some minutes to check if my comments have landed on my Instagram post, right? So let's just refresh our page over here. Once I refresh, I want to load the page again. So now let's go. Okay, we are seeing some comments. Let's go down. You click on the post. Okay, you can see you ordered for 50 comments, but we are getting 100 comments. So that's what Zappyconnect do. We over deliver. Let's view this right here, so you can see. You understand? So you can see that we have over 100 comments. So as you can see, we have over 100 comments on our posts and it was delivered successfully. So if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like and drop a comment if you have question, and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified anytime we drop a value video just like this. I'll see you on the next one.